Hello everyone, if you connect your DJI mic mini to your iPhone but it's not working, in this video I will solve this problem. So first of all, you just need to connect your DJI mic mini with your iPhone perfectly. So here you can see this light and this light is not blinking, it's stable. That means DJI mic mini transmitter and receiver already connected perfectly. Right now all you have to do, there have an internal option. You just need to go on your settings, and right now you just need to find out sounds. So here you can see this is sounds selected. So after select, there have an option input. You just need to select this input option. Right now there have another option, you can see DJI mic mini. So you just need to select this. Without select this option, your DJI mic mini is not working. So after select, it's going to work perfectly. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.